Good Friday morning. Thank you for checking out your Illinois weather update here. Picked up some heavy rain in the overnight for northern locations. We actually just had a flash flood warning up there in northern parts of the state, just expired, but you notice the showers still falling from Rockford to Waukegan and Chicago this morning. But this rain all associated with a cold front that will continue to work east through today. We're really looking at things pretty quickly drying out as we do go through today. I wanted to show you guys the rainfall estimates from the past 24 hours here. Check out northern parts of the state. Let's kind of zoom in and scroll through some of these locations. This is Rockford. Estimates here in the Rockford area of about 3 to 5 inches of rain. This is 4.8 inches estimated on the north side of Rockford here. And then down towards the parts of DeKalb County here. This is 3.5 inch rain there. As you go further down to the south around Galesburg here, estimates of about 1.5 inches of rain. So some heavy rain for you guys up here in the north and northwest parts of the state. Again, we mentioned that potential yesterday in our update. You can see how areas further south have stayed on the dry side. Alright, so looking at today, again this morning the rains continue to progress east, and by 10 a.m. generally moving up to the northeast and out of here. There could be a very spotty shower as this front continues to shift southeast through the afternoon, but in general, where it hasn't rained yet, if you haven't had rain yet, you're probably not going to get rain. That's just the way it's going to be. Again, central and southern and eastern parts of the state missing out on this event. Alright, so looking at today's forecast radar, you can see as we go towards, this would be 8 a.m., 9, 10 a.m. Showers continue to lift north and east, and by 10 a.m. we're just seeing a couple spotty showers from Springfield to Kankakee. No big deal. As we head towards lunchtime today, a few showers down here in the southern part of the state from near Salem over towards areas near Mattoon, Effingham, and as you go towards 2 to 3, maybe a spotty shower around Harrisburg and Carmi. By 2 and 3, you can see how we're all going to be essentially dry. Getting towards 4 and 5 p.m., the front shifting into Kentucky and Indiana. And as we go through the course of the evening, lower humidity. It's going to be absolutely beautiful out there as we go through the course of tonight. So looking at additional rain this morning. Again, still looking at some pretty heavy rain through about 8 o'clock this morning in the northeast part of the state. Otherwise, it's going to be hard-pressed to find much in central and southern parts of the state there. So looking at temperatures, let's talk about temperatures first off for today. Again, temperatures much cooler than yesterday's. We'll have temperatures this afternoon in the 70s north and west, and we'll have 80s to the southeast here. Temperatures tonight will fall to the 50s, so a very comfortable night tonight with low humidity. As looking at our wind forecast here, we're going to have a bit of a breezy day today. West winds, you're going to see those gusts around 25 miles per hour today in the northern half of the state. So just know it will be a breezy Friday. And as we go throughout tonight, the winds will start to kind of decrease here, and we're looking at much less wind for our Saturday. In fact, nearly calm winds for some of us here tomorrow as high pressure sits over the area with mostly sunny skies. Great weather coming for today, tomorrow. Alright, so this afternoon, great weather. Tonight, great weather. And as we go throughout tomorrow, it will be a dry Saturday. There's a 0% chance of rain tomorrow, so don't be worried about any chance anywhere in the state. Partly to mostly sunny skies are expected. Just a few cirrus clouds out there. As we go throughout Saturday night, we're watching a disturbance over portions of Iowa and Wisconsin as this energy starts to drop southeast after midnight Saturday night and the Sunday morning. We'll see a few showers and storms from Quincy to Galesburg to around Freeport and Rockford. And as we go into 8 to 9 a.m. Sunday, as it starts to try to push southeast, it really starts to fade out here. You can see from 7 a.m. through 10 a.m. Sunday, a few showers from Rockford to near Chicago. And then from 10 a.m. onward Sunday, we're pretty much fizzling that. And as we go through the course of the afternoon, diminishing that chance for any rain. So it looks like this will really be a late Saturday night, early Sunday chance, and really just confined to our northern and northwest locations. So we're not expecting any rain for the southern half of the state. It's going to be areas like Galesburg here to Moline. The best chance could see locally on the Iowa border. There could be a couple spots to get, a half inch to 3/4 of rain. But overall, most of us are going to see that kind of coming through in a more of a weakening state. So we're not expecting any widespread big rains at all out of the system. And again, we're expecting it to kind of be confined to the north and west locations yet again. So as we go into the rest of the weekend here, I want to take a look at our temperature trends here as we go into the weekend. We're going to be looking at those temperatures getting warmer again as we go into Sunday. I do think tomorrow's a great day because of low humidity, but Sunday we're going to bring back some more humid conditions, so a pretty uncomfortable day Sunday. Next week, pretty humid into Monday, but it looks like actually the humidity could drop just a little bit here going into the mid part of the week. So it's not going to be anything oppressive with the humidity, but temperatures still well into the 80s each and every single day next week. And then signs continue to point towards getting cooler around the 22nd, 23rd, and as we go into the late part of the month. So fingers crossed on that. Now, as far as your additional rain chances here, Well, nothing too concerning as far as our rain chances next week. You can see as we go into Sunday night and Monday, there could be a couple spotty storms that redevelop Sunday night as we're building in more a ridge of high pressure. On the edge of the ridge, we could see an isolated storm here. But in general, as we go into Monday and Tuesday with this ridge of high pressure building aloft in the atmosphere, it's going to really kind of cap us off. I think we will be looking at quiet weather Monday, Tuesday, and then as we go into Wednesday of next week, not much happening. There's a little weak return flow on the edge of this high pressure, which is centered to our east, and that could bring just a spotty shower or storm with the peak heating Wednesday and a Thursday, mainly to the west. But signs are kind of slowing down this front here next week, so it looks like we're going to have to wait toward maybe Friday into the weekend for a slightly better chance. But really, not a whole lot of rain expected in this forecast next week. So much of next week is looking like a quiet weather pattern around here. So guys, that's all I have for your update today. Thank you guys for watching. Not really a whole lot to track. We'll keep an eye on that rain and storm chance for north and west counties, especially Saturday night into early Sunday. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.